For a long time, Twitch was seen as a place where people simply played games for fun. Streaming felt like a hobby, something casual, experimental, and uncertain. Very few believed it could ever become a serious way to make money. Today, that perception has completely changed. Twitch has evolved into a platform where thousands of creators earn monthly income, build brands, and even create full-time careers. Some streamers replace traditional jobs, while others use Twitch as a powerful side income. But the truth is rarely talked about honestly. Making money on Twitch is not about going viral overnight or owning expensive equipment. It's about understanding how the platform works, how people behave on it, and how attention slowly turns into income. This is the real breakdown of how Twitch monetization works, without hype, shortcuts, or false promises. What Twitch actually pays you for. Twitch does not pay creators for playing games. It pays creators for keeping people engaged. Viewers don't stay because someone is the best player in the world. They stay because they feel entertained, acknowledged, and connected. Twitch is built around live interaction, chatting, reacting, joking, and responding in real time. This is why streamers with average gameplay but strong personalities often outperform technically skilled players. Twitch rewards consistency, authenticity, and community far more than raw talent. Understanding this changes everything about how you approach making money on the platform. Why most streamers never make money. The biggest reason people fail on Twitch is unrealistic expectations. Many beginners believe that simply going live is enough. When viewers don't appear and money doesn't follow, motivation drops. In reality, Twitch growth is slow by design. The platform does not push new streamers aggressively. You earn visibility by staying consistent long enough for people to trust you. Most successful streamers spent months talking to only a handful of viewers. They treated those early streams as practice, not failure. Those who quit early never reach the monetization stage. Twitch rewards patience and punishes impatience. Twitch affiliate, the first monetization step. Becoming a Twitch affiliate is the first real milestone. It unlocks subscriptions, bits, and limited advertising revenue. While the money at this stage is usually small, its importance is psychological. The first subscription proves that someone values your content enough to support it financially. Affiliate status also shifts mindset. Streaming stops feeling like shouting into the void and starts feeling like building something real. Many creators quit just before reaching this stage, which is why persistence matters more than talent. Subscriptions, the core of Twitch income. Subscriptions form the foundation of most Twitch earnings. They provide recurring monthly income and create stronger bonds between streamer and viewer. People don't subscribe for emotes alone. They subscribe because they feel part of a community. They want to support someone they enjoy watching regularly. Successful streamers focus heavily on engagement. They talk to their subscribers, remember names, and acknowledge support live on stream. This creates loyalty, and loyalty is more valuable than raw numbers. A small channel with dedicated subscribers often earns more than a large channel with passive viewers. Bits and donations. Emotional support, not pressure. Bits and donations are voluntary contributions, often driven by emotion rather than obligation. A funny moment, a helpful explanation, or a strong connection can trigger support instantly. However, this income stream requires balance. Streamers who constantly ask for donations damage trust. Viewers feel pressured and engagement drops. The most successful creators let donations happen naturally. They focus on delivering value first. Support becomes a response, not a request. Ad revenue, useful but limited. Ads exist on Twitch, but for most creators, they are not a major income source. For smaller and mid-sized channels, ad revenue is often minimal. Overusing ads can hurt growth by driving viewers away. Smart streamers use ads strategically during breaks or before streams begin, so they don't interrupt live engagement. Ads should support the stream, not dominate it. Sponsorships, where Twitch becomes serious money. Sponsorships are where Twitch income can grow significantly. Brands care less about viewer count and more about trust and niche relevance. A smaller streamer with a loyal, targeted audience can be more valuable than a large channel with disengaged viewers. Companies want authenticity, not forced promotion. When sponsors appear, Twitch transitions from a side hustle into a business opportunity. This is why many creators focus on brand safety, professionalism, and consistency. Off-platform content is not optional. Twitch discoverability is limited. Relying only on Twitch for growth is one of the biggest mistakes creators make. Successful streamers use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to attract new viewers. Short clips, highlights, and behind-the-scenes moments act as marketing tools. These platforms feed viewers into Twitch, where deeper engagement happens. Twitch is the home. Other platforms are the doors. Equipment myths and reality. Many people delay streaming because they believe they need expensive gear. This is a mistake. Clear audio matters more than visuals. Viewers will tolerate average video quality, but poor sound drives people away instantly. A stable internet connection, a decent microphone, and basic lighting are enough to start. Equipment upgrades should follow growth, not replace it. Consistency beats perfection every time. Scheduling builds trust. A consistent streaming schedule is one of the most underrated factors in Twitch's success. Viewers don't just randomly open Twitch and hope their favorite streamer is live. They build habits around creators who show up reliably. When you stream at the same time on the same days, your audience begins to plan around you. Your stream becomes part of their routine, just like a TV show or podcast. This predictability builds trust, and trust leads to loyalty. Many small streamers make the mistake of streaming whenever they feel like it. While flexibility feels comfortable, it slows growth. Even streaming fewer days per week can work if the schedule is clear and consistent. Consistency signals professionalism and commitment, two qualities audiences subconsciously respect and reward. The mental reality of streaming. Streaming is not just a technical or creative challenge, it's a mental one. Long hours, low viewer counts, and inconsistent growth can slowly wear creators down if they're not prepared. There will be days when chat is active and everything flows effortlessly. There will also be days when no one shows up. Successful streamers understand that both experiences are part of the process. They don't let quiet streams define their value or loud streams inflate their ego. Mental resilience is what separates long-term creators from those who quit early. Streamers who focus on learning, improving, and showing up, regardless of numbers, build sustainable careers. Those who chase constant validation often burn out before growth ever arrives. How long it takes to make money. One of the most common questions new streamers ask is, how long until I make money? The honest answer is uncomfortable. There is no fixed timeline. Some creators see their first income within months. Others take a year or more to build momentum. What determines success isn't speed, talent, or even luck, it's consistency over time. Streaming rewards creators who keep improving while others quit. Each stream builds experience, confidence, and recognition, even when it doesn't feel like progress. Over time, small gains compound into real growth. Most people quit too early to see results. Those who stay long enough often look lucky to outsiders, but in reality, they simply didn't stop. Making money on Twitch is real, but it's not easy. It requires patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. Twitch is not a shortcut to success. It's a system that rewards creators who build trust, community, and consistency over time. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone thinking about starting Twitch. Every successful streamer once streamed to 0 viewers. The only difference is they didn't stop.